Just finished up this 2003 Harley Davidson with a bunch of little upgrades. Thought we'd fire it up and let you have a listen.